Hello, everyone. I'm Franklin. Welcome to English Planet. Today, you are not just listening. Today, you will speak with me. This lesson uses the shadowing method. That means you will listen, then repeat immediately, and slowly your English will become natural and confident. Relax. Sit straight, take a deep breath. Let's begin. Part 1. Short sentence shadowing. Listen first. I like coffee. Now, repeat with me. I like coffee. Good. Now listen carefully. I like coffee because it gives me energy. Pause. Repeat with me. I like coffee because it gives me energy. Very good. Notice something important. The sentence is longer, but it feels easy and natural. Let's try one more. Listen. She is happy. Repeat. She is happy. Now listen. She is happy because she got a new job. Pause. Repeat slowly. She is happy because she got a new job. Excellent. Part 2. Same meaning, different ways. Listen. I am tired. Repeat. I am tired. Now listen carefully. I feel very tired. Repeat. I feel very tired. One more. I am exhausted. Repeat. I am exhausted. Good job. All 3 sentences have the same meaning, but the feeling is stronger each time. Part 3. Synonyms with feeling and usage. First word, happy. Listen. I am happy today. Repeat. I am happy today. Now listen to a similar word. I am glad to see you. Repeat. I am glad to see you. Glad is polite and friendly. We use it in conversations. Now listen. She felt joyful after hearing the news. Repeat. She felt joyful after hearing the news. Joyful is strong happiness. Next word, big. Listen. This is a big house. Repeat. This is a big house. Now listen. This house is a large house. Repeat. This house is a large house. Large is more formal. Now listen carefully. That building is huge. Repeat. That building is huge. Excellent. Now we will build a sentence step by step. Listen. I am learning English. Repeat. I am learning English. Now listen. I am learning English to improve my communication. Repeat. I am learning English to improve my communication. Very good. One more way. I am studying English so I can speak confidently. Repeat. I am studying English so I can speak confidently. You are doing great. You are doing great. Remember, Don't rush. Shadow with me every day. Even 10 minutes is enough. In the next episode, I will teach you how to sound confident in daily conversations. Until then, keep listening, keep repeating, and keep growing. I'm Franklin. See you in the next lesson.